What's up, IAmers? Check this out. It's like pause, and I just made a sale about 36 minutes ago on one of my digital products. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that digital product is, how much is made for me since its creation up till now. I'm also going to show you how exactly I found this product idea. Also, I'm going to explain to you at the end of this video 7 more ways that you can get your hands on different ways to find these types of hidden gems so that you can create your own digital products and sell them online. Okay, so like I said, I made a sale 36 minutes ago, and the product that this person bought was my airplane baby shower printable game set. Okay, right now it's at a discount. It's usually at around 11 bucks, but it's at a discount at nine bucks right now. And this is it's gonna be for about a week long, this discount. Okay, let me show you how much I've made over time with this particular product. I made over 500 bucks selling 48 units, again, of this airplane baby shower printable game set. Okay, now really, here's a really cool thing. I'm gonna show you when I created this airplane baby shower game. So as you can see here, I created this product on 2017, April 12th. That was years ago, okay? And it's still profiting for me up to this day, today, 36 minutes ago, okay? Now, how did I find this type of digital product? Okay, you're gonna wanna go to Google Trends, a completely free tool. Check out and click on your niche, whatever it is. I'm gonna put in baby showers, that's my market, okay? Now, I wanna put baby shower market, just baby shower actually, within the Google Trends search bar, and it's gonna give me a bunch of really popular or trendy information concerning baby showers. Okay, so if I scroll down here, I'm giving it some time so it can load. As you can see, baby showers evergreen. There's always people celebrating, you know, the coming of a baby, so baby showers are always going to be celebrated. And I scroll down here, I find that the biggest states that look for baby shower content is Mississippi, Louisiana, New York, Texas, Alabama, basically the South, with exception to New York. I scroll down here. Now this is where it gets interesting. Related queries. Now when it comes to the baby shower market, you gotta filter out people, celebrities, right? So people are always interested in celebrities and their baby showers. So I'm not interested in that. So Andy Cohen baby shower, I'm not interested in. I'm interested in themes. Okay. Kenya Moore, no. Okay. Boss baby baby shower. Okay. Boss baby is a movie. You could do that. It's a little tricky with copyright, so I'd stay away from that. Unicorn baby shower ideas. That's another popular product of mine that I created. Okay, I'm giving that to you away right here. Here's another one, sunflower baby shower games. As you can see, this is exactly how I found my airplane baby shower idea. Okay. Now, like I said, like I told you earlier, there are 7 other different methods where you can use to find these types of hidden gems for all types of products in all types of niches, not only in a make money online niche, not only in the internet marketing niche. Okay, so if you're interested in that, I'm gonna be revealing that very soon. Check out the video below. If you don't see that there right now, then that means it's not existent yet. As of yet, I'm creating that review right now. But if you are, stay tuned. Check it out later, and it will be there, and you can check out the 7, actually 8 different ways. I'm revealing one way right now. There are 7 more different ways to find these types of hidden gems, these types of digital product ideas that you can create on the fly quickly and easily. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you like me revealing right now, right in front of you, 2 profitable digital product ideas. Not only my airplane baby shower game, but my mermaid baby shower game, airplane and unicorn baby shower game, set. So there's nothing stopping you from creating your own unicorn and airplane baby shower printable set using Canva. There's all types of products like this you can create, both physical and digital. Talk to you later. Bye bye.